need to finally discuss that it's not normal to pay $3 for 1 gigabyte of data. That is, in actual sense, not even 1 gigabyte of data, which is actually about 400 megabytes. It is not normal in any part of Africa. It is only normalized in Zimbabwe because truly we don't have an option. And with how cheaper Net1 could be, it's really the same. It's one and the same thing until you cross the border to other countries and you realize just how cheap internet access to be. Internet access in today's modern age should be something so easily accessible that there are no barriers to financially being able to access just basic internet. There's no reason why internet should be so expensive in Zimbabwe when there's no actual inflating costs to the production of these services. What exactly is it that they're doing? What exactly is it about Zimbabwe's telecommunication industry that makes them so much more inflated than every other part of the world?